one. Easy. Just not swallowed it.
Let's see it.
Oh. That's way down there.
Yeah. Big bite for a little fish.
Come on. It's a little smaller. Slip it.
Okay. Oh, it has, look what it has in its mouth. It's like a little...
a little bead on its mouth. That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 'cause they've been feeding on the top a lot.
Okay, don't find it. Come on, get it. Just toss her back. Yeah, the wind died down a little bit, so it's getting a little bit easier to see our line and stuff because we're using some power worms. It's kind of bad, but stuck in those pads. I'm gonna try and get her out though.
Is it coming out? Don't snap it. Are you sure it's a fish?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh my god. Oh, not too bad.
Come here, boy. Small, but
It's decent, so. Yeah.
Yeah, we're just out here on a small little lake. Not really a lake, pretty much a pond, but whatever. There's supposedly lots of bass in it, so just trying her out, seeing how she goes.
Yeah. Throw her back.
Peek out.
Just hold it up.
The hook stuck in it. Now it is. Let's see this. It's better looking.
A little better than catching.
Yep.
Looked right on the top. Look.
That's decent.
Actually not that bad.
Settle down now.
Just hold it up. It's pretty good.
No,
I mean, it's okay. Yeah, it's pretty small.
yeah.